You know what, guys? Actually, I finished recording this video and nakurap yung file. So, hindi nag-transfer sa iPhone to my laptop yung file ng video na to. Kailangan ko siyang ulitin overall. So, there you go. I'm here again and hopefully, before this day end, matapos natin yung video because I really commit to myself na kailangan ma-upload ko tong video na to. So, let's start. Hi guys, this is Kate and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, I'm very excited to share with you our newly launched condominium project in the south located in Binyan, Laguna, Turf Residences. So if you're a first-time investor or actively looking sa property or naghahanap kayo ng magandang location to consider sa rental business ninyo, this project is for you. So welcome to Turf Residences, and this is a newly launched project of SMDC. Actually, we launched this last year, November 2023. So guys, this is a pre-selling project, meaning under construction pa siya. The project is highly accessible right across at the SLEX and Calax Mamplasan exit. Kung manggagaling po kayo ng Manila, you can use the SLEX Mamplasan exit. Kung manggagaling naman kayo ng Nuvali, pwede nyo gamitin yung Pacalax na road. So ano bang benefit or key factor ng Calax sa mga investor or a property investor here in Binyan, Laguna project ni SMDC is of course number one is convenient, yung less travel time. So Calax stands for Cavite Laguna Expressway. So kung dati binabiyahe natin ng 2 hours yung Cavite going to Laguna, but with this expressway, with this road, through Calax, pwede na natin siyang kuhain ng 45 minutes travel time. So from 2 hours to 45 minutes travel time, nasa Laguna ka na. So, ang laking tulong nun, no? Kumbaga yung convenience, of course, considering na meron talagang toll fee yan, but yung convenience, madali mong magagawa, madali kang makakapunta dun sa pupuntahan mo, and kung meron kang meeting, outing with the family, or, staycation. Another factor is that yung progress dun sa lugar, yung progress ng development sa lugar. If I'm not mistaken, Calax have 9 stations or point of entry and point of exit. So, of course, yung area dyan or yung place na matatamaan through Calax, asahan po natin na yung progress, aside from the capital appreciation itself, of course, yung convenience ng tao na makapunta dun sa lugar na yon. Pagdating naman sa shopping, dining, and entertainment, it's just 2 to 5 minutes away dahil meron tayong kapitbahay na malapit na SM City Santa Rosa. I know guys, this is very familiar to you. Napakatagal na po ni SM Santa Rosa. So, isa yan sa mga landmarks natin here in Turf Residences. So, from SM City Santa Rosa, approximately 2 to 5 minutes away lang siya to our newly launched project na Turf Residences. And then, of course, we have major transport hub is just 2 to 5 minutes away. Within that vicinity, we have SRIT or Santa Rosa Integrated Terminal. So it's a bus station terminal bound in incoming buses from Calabarzon and Bicol region. Of course, i-highlight ko lang din with the location. It is right across Brentville International School and Brentville International. So Brentville International, ano ba yun, no? So it is a high-end residential community and doon po located yung one of the many houses of Manny Pacquiao. For the other schools naman, we have Don Bosco College, Xavier School, La Consolacion College. So, yan yung mga prominent, no, yung mga exclusive school na meron with that vicinity of Turf Residences. So for the project details naman guys, with Turf Residences, it is a mid-rise project. So hanggang 4th floor lang po tayo. We have 4 physical floors and the target completion is around 2028 to 2029. And for the unit types, we have studio, studio unit, studio and 1 bedroom. For the unit size naman, no, we have 17 square meter to 26 square meter. And for the site development plan, guys, so here's the aerial view of Turf Residences as of now. So for the batch 1, meron lang po tayong ino-open na specific tower. So that's NOPQR. So as of the moment, ayan po yung mga choices natin sa tower. Now, of course, dito naman tayo sa most exciting part. How much is the investment? Magkano ba yan? So for the reservation fee, you can reserve with just 25,000 pesos, guys. And for the monthly, you can avail the monthly down payment with 12,000 pesos for 1 bedroom unit, and that's 0% interest rate. And for our payment terms naman, we have 20% in 54 months, 80% through cash or bank. So kayang-kaya guys, 12,000 per month, 0% interest rate, magre-reserve ka lang, reserve ka lang ng 25,000, no spot down payment dahil pre-selling po tayo. After reservation fee, magma-monthly ka na ng 12,000 until turnover. No, kung nag-wonder kayo guys, ano yung price range natin with Turf Residences, so approximately maximum 3.2 million yung ating list price. So list price ibig sabihin, di pa included yung mga other fees like VAT and other charges. So speaking of VAT, BIR announced that residential property below 3.6 M are VAT exempt. So, ibig sabihin guys, non-vatable po yung unit natin sa Turf Residences because pasok po tayo dun sa threshold na 3.6 below. With our list priced in Turf Residences, 3.2, so pasok po tayo dun sa non-vatable category. So, ibig sabihin guys, pag nag-avail po kayo ng unit with Turf Residences, your unit are considered non-vatable. For your information guys, yung real estate VAT is 12%. So malaki din yun ha. Kumbaga, malaking discount din yun. Kumbaga, nakamenos din tayo sa mga possible expenses. Just to share with you guys another information about this threshold. Kapag po kasi pumatak yung property nyo ng 3.6 below, ibig sabihin non-votable. But if 3.6 above, pataas, you are considered or subject na po kayo for VAT. So, vatable na po yung unit na ma-avail sa inyo. Or mabibigyan kayo ng 12% na VAT. Good news para sa mga real estate investor. So guys, napaka-friendly ng payment terms natin kay Turf Residences considering na non-vatable pa yung mga units natin. And this is a pre-selling project. So, you have the chance na baka pamili ng mga unit ninyo, anong view, anong floor, with specific tower na binigay natin kanina. So, this is the perfect time for you to invest habang pre-selling pa so you can maximize the capital appreciation afterward. Kung yung purpose mo naman is for rental, you can list it for long-term or short-term rent. Filipino, OFW, dual citizenship, foreigners are allowed to avail our project. So guys, if you're actively looking for a pre-selling property in the South, if you're a OFW, startup families, local upgraders, you may want to consider this real estate opportunity in Binyan, Laguna. So there you have it guys. I've already shared with you the information about this project, Turf Residences in Binyan, Laguna. Now the choice is yours. So if you have any questions, inquiries, if you want free consultation, quotation, you may want to message me or contact me here in my Viber and WhatsApp number. I'll be glad to assist all of you guys. I hope you guys learned something about this video. We're open for part-timers and referral partners. So thank you so much guys for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!